On Starknet, what we normally call a smart contract is really the instance of a contract class that acts as its blueprint. Any new smart contract needs to be declared on the network in order to create a contract class. For this purpose, Starknet has a declare transaction that takes the Sierra code of your smart contract to create a contract class identified by its hash. To deploy an instance of this contract, a user needs to send an invoke transaction to interact with the universal deployer, providing the class hash to use as the blueprint and the constructor arguments. Internally, the universal deployer uses the deploy syscall to delegate the instantiation of the new smart contract to the Starknet protocol. The Starknet protocol then takes over and creates the contract instance by executing the constructor function of the contract class with the arguments provided by the user. This process also initializes the storage cells of the contract instance so it can manage its own internal state. The contract instance is what we normally refer to as a smart contract and is the most common entity on Starknet. Instead of being used as a blueprint to deploy instances, a contract class can be used as a reusable library. The process starts the same way by declaring the Sierra code of a smart contract, but this time there's no need to use the universal deployer. Any smart contract can use the logic of a contract class by using the library call syscall. The library call syscall allows for calling a contract class, but using the internal state of the caller, in this case, a contract instance. This is similar to Ethereum and the use of delegate call. In summary, a contract class can be used as a blueprint to create contract instances or as a reusable library that can be called by any smart contract using the library call syscall.